Are you tired of feeling like you're constantly chasing the market, always a step behind the big gains? What if I told you there are powerful, fundamentally sound companies currently trading at a significant discount, poised for explosive upside? Many investors overlook these opportunities, caught up in the hype cycles of overvalued assets, and they end up missing out on monumental gains. And make sure you stick around until the very end, because I'll be sharing a crucial side-by-side data summary that will show the undeniable value proposition behind each of these picks. Our number one most undervalued stock with massive upside potential is United Health Group, ticker UNH. As the largest health insurance company in the United States, UNH is a titan of the healthcare sector, offering an unparalleled integrated model through its United Healthcare Insurance arm and the Optum Health Services division. While it's currently navigating a period of strategic recalibration, particularly in its Medicare Advantage segment, the market is severely underpricing its long-term resilience and formidable growth trajectory. UNH reported Q3 2025 revenues exceeding $113 billion, marking a powerful 12% year-over-year increase and maintaining its impressive 5-year revenue compound annual growth rate of 11%. Yes, the medical care ratio increased, signaling elevated medical cost trends, but returned CEO Stephen Hemsley has swiftly implemented a comprehensive turnaround. This includes disciplined pricing, aggressive network optimization, and strategic portfolio rationalization, with plans to exit underperforming markets and refine its Medicare Advantage enrollment. Crucially, within Optum Health, the company is doubling down on its original value-based care model, targeting a narrower, more integrated provider network designed to drive significant margin improvements in 2026 and beyond. Analyst consensus points to 2026 as a year of solid earnings recovery, with accelerated double-digit growth projected for 2027 and beyond. This is not mere optimism. It's grounded in the scale advantages of UNH's integrated model and its ongoing substantial investments in AI-driven healthcare solutions. Despite regulatory scrutiny, United Health maintains robust financial fundamentals, boasting healthy free cash flow and an exceptional 33-year track record of consistent dividend payments. This isn't just a healthcare stock. It's a long-term compounder at an attractive valuation, set to rebound powerfully as its strategic initiatives mature. The current dip, therefore, presents a generational buying opportunity for this healthcare behemoth. Our number 2 pick, Haemonetics Corporation, ticker HAE, is a global healthcare company specializing in innovative blood and plasma management solutions. Haemonetics is a phenomenal story of operational excellence and strategic execution, demonstrating exceptional margin expansion and robust organic growth that the market is still catching up to. Their Q2 2026 results were nothing short of stellar. Adjusted EPS of $1.27, a 13% increase and 14.41% beat on expectations, and revenue of $327 million, also surpassing forecasts. What's truly impressive is their margin profile. Adjusted gross margin expanded 380 basis points to a commanding 60.5%, and adjusted operating margin improved 250 basis points to 26.7%. These are top-tier margins, driven by Persona technology adoption, disciplined pricing, and a favorable product mix. The plasma segment, even with the CSL transition headwinds, showed a phenomenal 19% organic revenue growth in Q2 2026, excluding CSL. This surge is fueled by significant share gains, strategic pricing benefits, and a notable recovery in collection volumes, with U.S. collections growing at high single digits and European collections seeing double-digit growth. Their blood management technologies also delivered double-digit growth, driven by the successful global launch of the heparinase neutralization cartridge and strong TEG disposable utilization. Management's confidence is palpable, as they've raised their full-year fiscal 2026 guidance across multiple metrics, now expecting organic growth excluding CSL of 7 to 10% and adjusted EPS of $4.80 to $5. Operating cash flow has dramatically improved, surging 128% year-over-year to $111 million in Q2, enabling them to actively repurchase shares and return value to shareholders. With a strong pipeline, expanding margins, and clear growth drivers, Haemonetics represents a deeply undervalued opportunity in the medtech space, with analysts projecting significant upside. Moving to our number 3 undervalued powerhouse, we have Bristol Myers Squibb, ticker BMY. This global biopharmaceutical giant is currently navigating a pivotal transition, facing patent expirations on some legacy blockbusters. Yet, beneath the surface, BMY is executing a masterful strategic pivot, building a formidable growth portfolio and pipeline that the market appears to be significantly underpricing. Their Q3 2025 results underscore this shift, with the growth portfolio, including key assets like Reblozyl, Camzyos, and Breyanzi, skyrocketing by 17% year-over-year. Crucially, each of these assets is now annualizing over $1 billion in sales, effectively offsetting declines in older products. BMY has confidently raised its full-year revenue guidance to $47.5 to $48 billion, a clear signal of momentum. The near future is brimming with catalysts. BMY is entering a data-rich period, with readouts for 7 new molecular entities and 7 significant lifecycle management opportunities slated for the next 12 to 24 months. Financially, BMY is a fortress. They are on track to deliver $1 billion in net savings in 2025, targeting a massive $2 billion by 2027. This financial discipline, coupled with recent strategic acquisitions like Orbital Therapeutics to bolster their cell therapy franchise, provides immense flexibility. Despite regulatory pressures like the Inflation Reduction Act, BMY's objective is clear: make this revenue trough as shallow and as short as possible. With the potential to launch 10 new medicines by the decade's end and a 56-year streak of dividend payments, BMY offers an incredibly attractive risk-reward profile for long-term investors seeking deep value in the pharmaceutical sector. At number 4, we have Oshkosh Corporation, traded under the ticker OSK. This isn't just another industrial company. Oshkosh is a global industrial technology powerhouse, specializing in purpose-built vehicles and equipment across vital sectors like access equipment, vocational vehicles, and defense. Despite a recent modest revenue miss, the company delivered a robust Q3 2025 with an adjusted operating margin of 10.2% and adjusted earnings per share of $3.20, actually exceeding analyst estimates. This resilience in a challenging economic environment highlights their operational strength. What truly underpins Oshkosh's valuation is its massive backlog, currently sitting at a staggering $13 to $14 billion. This backlog isn't just a number. It provides incredible revenue visibility, supporting roughly 50% of their targeted revenue growth through 2028. A significant portion of this is anchored by the long-term USPS Next Generation Delivery Vehicle, or NGDV contract, an annuity-like revenue stream for up to 165,000 vehicles over 10 years. Oshkosh is aggressively targeting full-rate production for the NGDV by the end of 2025, a key catalyst for future revenue acceleration. Their vocational segment is a standout performer, showcasing nearly 19% year-over-year growth in Q3 sales to $968 million, with an impressive 15.6% adjusted operating income margin. This growth is driven by improved throughput and strategic pricing. Moreover, Oshkosh is at the forefront of technological innovation, deeply investing in electrification and autonomous capabilities. With over 80% of its product portfolio technically electrifiable and new offerings like electric cement mixers and autonomous refuse collection vehicles, they are strategically positioned for future market dominance. While facing headwinds from tariffs and cautious customer spending in some segments, Oshkosh's management is unwavering, reaffirming their ambitious target of doubling adjusted EPS to $18 to $22 per share by 2028. With strong free cash flow and a 13-year streak of dividend increases, Oshkosh offers compelling stability and significant long-term growth potential, trading at approximately 10 times 2026 earnings estimates, making it a truly undervalued gem. Now let's take a quick look at the numbers side by side. Starting with current prices, Bristol Myers Squibb is the most accessible at just $56.46, followed by Haemonetics at $74. United Health Group, as a market leader, commands a higher price of $334.86, reflecting its scale. When we consider market capitalization, United Health Group absolutely dwarfs the others with a colossal $299.9 billion. This is a true blue-chip titan. Bristol Myers Squibb is also a significant player at $112.5 billion, while Oshkosh and Haemonetics, at $9.63 billion and $3.38 billion respectively, offer more agile mid to small cap growth potential. Revenue figures reinforce this scale. United Health leads with a staggering $435.2 billion, followed by BMY at $48.03 billion. Haemonetics and Oshkosh, while smaller, are generating robust sales in their specialized niches. Now, for profitability. Gross margin is where things get truly interesting. Bristol-Myers Squibb boasts an incredible 73.1% gross margin, showcasing its pharmaceutical pricing power. Haemonetics isn't far behind with an impressive 59.5%. United Health's 19.7% reflects its insurance-heavy business, while Oshkosh at 17.8% is solid for an industrial giant. Finally, let's talk about shareholder returns. Bristol-Myers Squibb offers the highest dividend yield at 4.6%, making it a superb income play alongside its growth potential. United Health also provides a strong 2.7% yield. Oshkosh gives a respectable 1.3%, while Haemonetics, as a growth-focused medtech company, currently reinvests its substantial cash flow back into the business, which is reflected in its lack of a dividend. So these are four profoundly undervalued stocks, each with robust fundamentals, offering massive upside potential in today's market. Ignoring these names now could mean leaving substantial returns on the table. The time to act on these underappreciated gems is now, before the broader market catches on. Which of these four undervalued powerhouses stands out the most for your portfolio, and why? Drop your insights, predictions, and alternative picks in the comments section below. If you're looking for even more hidden opportunities in today's market, don't miss our video right here on 5 best quantum computing stocks with 10x potential.